Welcome to the Astro. In this Python for Astronomy tutorial, I am going to teach you that how to create a simple feeds image file using Astropy Python package in Jupyter Notebooks. So for doing that, first we need to import a library called Astropy. So import libraries. So I will import feeds image library. So from astropy.io import feeds. Okay, so this is used to deal with feeds file, right? And then second I will import numpy as np. So import numpy as np. So this will take care of your array. Now I will define a number. Okay, so I can define x equal to say np dot linear space np dot linear space, and I will go from say some initial number and final number. Say I want to go from minus 100 to 100, and I want to put say 400 data points, right? Now this is your 1D array. Now this will also be your 1D data. Now we have to convert this y into your 2D data, because image consists of the 2D array. Okay, so convert y into 2D array as image data, right? So for doing that I will type here image equal to np dot what is mistake np dot receive and pass here your y data and then give your row into column. Okay, so I will give 20 is to 20, right? So here we have row and column. Okay, so we have 20 rows and 20 columns, right? So this much we have done. Now you can see here what is your image data. So you can see and also check its shape. So just pass this and maybe image dot shape. Okay, so it's a 2020 shape is the add to 2D array. Now we have to save this data in the feeds file. Okay, so for that go here and define a HDU. Okay, so you define HDU. It's called header data unit to put data into that. So I will define here say HDU HDU equal to fits dot primary HDU. So this is like your 0th HDU, and you can pass your save this data into your fits file. Okay, for that type here command HDU dot write to and give say my fits file dot fits, right? And then you can also pass here overwrite equal to true, so that when you update something in your code, it will automatically gets updated. Now run it. Okay, so it has ran successfully. Now open your DS9 and check it. Okay, so I will go to back to my, then I will open DS9 here. And I will look for my file created and open through it. So my underscore. Okay, so here is my fits file. So open it. Okay, so it has opened. Now zoom it. So zoom. Okay, so here I go to a scale, go to header scale, and you can give some color. So here you can see that this is our fits file and it has been created. Okay, so it is representing an 2D array, which is also called image. Okay, so this way you can create an image. Now here you go to the, if you go to the header, like it will show nothing, right? It has like 2020 row and column. So I will add some header information into the fits file. Okay, so for that say add header information, right? So for that I will define here HDR, which stands for header, and equal to fits dot header and give the function, right? After that I will define the first header, so I will call HDR, and I will say give say I want to give say something, say I want to give like telescope name. Okay, so telescope. So remember one thing, you can give maximum here 8. Okay, you can give only 8 keywords. So I will put only 3, and I will give SCPE. Okay, so it's a 437, just yeah, SCOP. So you can see it's contains 4. Okay, you can give say I want to give say Hubble, right? Hubble, a string. You can also give one more comment, so you can give here HDR and then comment. Okay, you can give comment, so you can put maximum here 8 characters inside, you can put it, and you can give so this is fits image file. Okay, Now run it. Okay, so run it. So I have not put this hidden information in that your feeds. Okay, primary HDU. So there is a mistake. So for doing that, I will put here. So just see. So it takes your data and your header. Okay, so for header, type here HDR. Okay, now run it. Now it's fine. Okay, so there was some mistake in that. Now go to DS9. Open it. Go to zoom it. So give some color. This is my image, right? And it's like 20 to 20 pixels. And go to header. Make some font size bigger. Okay, so here you can see that. Here you can see that we have like two axes, x and y axis. So see they are pixel and your format is fits, and we have telescopes Hubble and comment. This is a fits image file. Okay, so this way you can create a fits file. Okay, using your Astropy Python package, and you can visualize it through opening DS9. Okay, so I hope that you have learned this simple creating a simple fits file from scratch using Astropy Python package. So this is my code, so I can review the code once again. So first of all, I have imported some libraries, say fits and numpy. After that, I have defined 1D data. So from 1D, I have defined a function sinx. After that, I have converted y data into your 2D array of 20 rows and 20 columns. After that, I have defined your fits header. I have put some header information, say telescope and some comments. Then I have put this image data and your header information in your primary HDU. After that, I have written this header and data into my fits file, and I've done the override equal to true because it will update on its own when you update something in your program. So thank you.